back for day 10 of my gratitude playing cards, and I'm going to get started with my background and then I'll tell you what I'm grateful for. So stick around. So my next step is I'm going to adhere some of these cool stickers I found at Target, and then you'll find out what I'm grateful for. All right, so stick around. So I'm grateful for food. Because without it, I wouldn't be alive, right? And, you know, there are people in the world that are still starving and shouldn't be starving. So we need to be appreciative and grateful that we have food in this world. Yes, I could probably afford not to eat so much, don't you think? And not only that, but on these, there's a chocolate bar missing. There was no chocolate, but I do love my chocolate. So anyhow, here are my what I'm grateful for. And I'm going to write on the back today what I'm grateful for. So I hope that you enjoyed my process and that you'll come back and visit me again. And I think I'm going to add the French fries. I'm not much of a French fry eater. I can take fries or leave them, but this looks a little empty right here without the fries. There we go. So I hope you enjoyed my take on today's grateful card, playing card, and that you'll join in on the fun. Thanks again for watching, and if you like what you see, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, all that jazz, and I shall see you tomorrow. Bye, toodles. Have a wonderful day.